The Heartland Fire and Rescue 2-4 Pre-Connect Hose Load. The first method of deployment is the single firefighter drag. The hose goes over the left shoulder and the right arm goes through the loops. The hose is pulled until the loops become taut and then it is dropped for final deployment. Regardless of the side of the engine you are on, it is your right hand that always goes through the loops. The next deployment method is a shoulder load method. The nozzle still goes over the left shoulder and the hose is pulled down so that it is a manageable length. It is flipped onto the right shoulder topside down for easy deployment off the top of the load. This method of deployment is especially useful in tight areas, around corners, between cars, etc. The third method of deployment is a 2 firefighter drag. The nozzle firefighter will grab the nozzle and the loop closest to them and deploy the hose towards the fire. The assisting firefighter will pull the opposite loop in the opposite direction until the hose is tight. This firefighter can also assist with flaking the hose and making a clean deployment. The 2-4 pre-connect load is loaded with the first folds towards the cab. From the top view, after the fold is made, the hose is sent to the opposite side of the engine and another fold is made towards the cab. From this point, the hose will cross back and forth. As the name implies, a fold will be placed at the second loop on the left side and the fourth loop on the right side, as shown here by the firefighters loading the hose. It is important to remember that the hose will cross each time a fold is made. From this side of the engine it will be from left to right. From the captain's side of the engine it will be from right to left. Here on the top you see a firefighter assisting the feeding of the hose. Here the firefighter will make the final loop on the fourth fold and then continue loading the hose back and forth. The nozzle will be placed in the center of the pre-connect for easy deployment from either side.